So today I'm going to walk you through the process of multiplying with fractions and mixed numbers. So we'll use the example of 2.5 multiplied by 3/4. So to find the product, we could either use an area model or repeat addition. So an area model would just be kind of easier to see visually. So let's first draw 3/4 and 2.5. So let's focus on 3/4 right here. So if we were just shading in 3/4, we would just shade in these 3 sections right here, or these 3 units out of 4 total units. So that's going to be 3/4 on this side right here. But we need 3/4 of 2.5. So let's draw on 2.5. So we have 1, 2, and then a half. So we have 2.5. But because we have this half right here and we want all the units to be the same, we'll split these in half as well. And so now we can shade in. This is how we're gonna multiply. So with 3/4, we'll shade it in green. So remember 3 out of 4 total units. And then we need 3/4 of 2.5. So we'll shade in 2.5 with the blue. And so after we shade this, we have to count the area that's shaded by both green and blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So we have 15. And then for our numerator, we know that it's the part out of the whole. So 15 squares out of the whole entire whole. So 15 is going to be our numerator. And then for the denominator, it's determined by its relationship to the unit. So how many pieces does it take to have 1 unit? So because we have this right here, we can see that this is going to be 1 unit. And then this right here is going to be a unit. And then this is also going to be a unit. So how many pieces do we have in 1 total unit? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 is going to be our denominator. And so for this we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 8. And then we have the same for here, 6 out of 8. And then for this one we have 1, 2, 3 out of 8. So this is going to be our answer, but if we want to change it to a mixed number, we know that 8 out of 8 equals 1, and then we have a remainder of 7, so we have 7 out of 8. And then